6 foot tall and 200 pounds. The social kangaroo walkabout to the left. We finish up. If you have any chance yet, you out and walk around with the red kangaroos. A little trivia for you. You guys heard of Aborigines before? Okay. In Aborigine, what does the word kangaroo mean? Here, I'll give you the correct answer by not saying anything, or you're all taking a nap. The 7 explorers were going through. They asked the Aborigines what strange animals were. They had no name for them, so they stated kangaroo. The kangaroo translates to, I don't know.
How cool is this? Is that what? That looks like a peacock.
Oh, it's a white kangaroo.
These bushes are alluring parents.
It's a white kangaroo, Wesley.
45 inch now. We have the cage with them. Doesn't cost you anything. They give you apples, the birds will drop around your arms.
That's the albino.
1 o'clock, you go for about 15 minutes, and then you're at 3. As you come to shore, if you're ready to see, off, nobody goes flying. Okay guys, start hopping up.